Yes, good morning, children. I hope that you are all well and fine. Take care about yourself. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay safe. Right. So, in my previous class, I discussed about our Earth. So, how Earth formed and what is the internal structure of Earth. All those things we discussed in our previous class. Now, in this class, I am going to discuss the natural realms of Earth. The natural realms of Earth. In this, we are going to learn about the natural realms of the Earth and their interrelation. So, in this, we are going to learn about the natural realms of the Earth and their interrelations. On the other hand, we are going to know about landforms. So, apart from the realms of the Earth, we are going to learn about the landforms, tectonic movements, external and internal process, and even stages of water cycle that we are going to learn in this class. Right, children. So, first of all, the natural realms of the Earth. In the realms of the Earth, the Earth we live on. So the Earth where we are living, the Earth we live on has four realms. That is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. These are the four realms of the Earth. The Earth where we are living has four realms. They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. So first one is lithosphere. Here lithosphere is a solid crust on the top layer of the Earth. So the first layer of the Earth. So this is a solid crust. It is a solid in shape. It is a solid crust and on the hard top of the layer. Lithosphere deals with so it is a solid crust. So solid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth, we can say. It deals with the land we live on. So lithosphere deals with the land we live on. So it deals with the land we live on, and it contains continents, it contains mountains, plains, plateaus, or the second order landforms, curved rocks, basins, deltas, valleys, sand dunes, or the third order landforms. So the first layer is lithosphere. In this lithosphere, it is the outermost layer of the Earth, or the hard top layer of the Earth. It contains mountains, plateaus, low plains, and deep valleys. Deep valleys it contains in the lithosphere. The second layer is the hydrosphere, where it deals with the water. That is the Earth. On the Earth, water is there. We know that more than 70% of the land area is covered with water, and the remaining 30% of the land area is land mass. That we know. So in this hydrosphere, it contains oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and other things. It contains in it. And the next one is atmosphere. Atmosphere means on the upper layer of the Earth, one layer is there. That is air, or we can say it as the atmosphere. And atmosphere contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and other gases it contains in it. The next layer is the biosphere. In this biosphere, it contains about human beings. It deals about human beings, animals, plants, and bears, etc. So let us study about the lithosphere. The first one is lithosphere. Now let us study about the lithosphere. Yes. Was formed by the cooling of the outermost layer in the beginning in the beginning of the formation of the earth. So this lithosphere it is formed by the cooling of the outermost layer. So the outermost layer of the earth it is cooled, and then one layer is formed. That layer we call it as a lithosphere during the formation of the earth, in the beginning of the formation of the earth. When the low lying areas got filled with water, the first order landforms like. So this is the planet Earth. Now here we know that the planet Earth or the land where we are living on, it is not even. It is uneven. It is like this. It is there. So the uneven land where the gaps are there, that is filled with water. So there are, when low lying areas got filled with water, that is the first order landforms like continents. So this we call it as a continents, rivers, seas, lakes and oceans we can see. The first order landforms like continents and oceans are formed. Then due to the plate tectonics, so that plate tectonics means I will tell you the next class. Plate tectonics means that is the movement of the earth inside the earth. So there are 7 major plates are there that I will tell you in the next class. So first of all, let us know about the features of lithosphere. So due to the plate tectonics, second order landforms like. So due to the movement of plate tectonics, second order landforms are formed. So first order landforms are what? Continents and oceans. So first order landforms, continents and oceans. Then second order landforms. Second order landforms are mountains, plains and plateaus. These are the second order landforms. Denudation process resulted in the formation of the third order landforms. So denudation is one process through which weathering, deposition, transpiration, erosion. These are the 3 things which will take place in the process of denudation. That also I will tell in my next class. Yes. So what are the first order landforms? Continents and oceans are the first order landforms. What are the second order landforms? Second order landforms are mountains, plains and plateaus. Third order landforms are also there. Third order landforms are curved rocks, then deltas, valleys, sand dunes, and sand dunes are the third order landforms. The oceans and continents are situated in on the massive base of rock called plates. So I just now itself told. So oceans, like different oceans are there. There are 5 big oceans are there. Then 7 continents are there. All these oceans and continents are situated on the big rocks, very big rock. Like the big rocks are there. On these rocks, these oceans and continents are there, and that rocks we call it as a plates. And the movement of these rocks, so they like that the rocks will be there. The movement of these rocks we call it as a plate tectonics. Yes. Hydrosphere is related to the realm of water. Lithosphere is related to the crust and nearly solid upper part of the mantle. So it is related to crust and nearly solid upper part of the mantle. So we know the internal, in our previous class we have studied the internal structure of the earth. That is, there are three layers are there in the internal structure of the earth. They are crust, core and mantle. These are the three different layers we find in the internal structure of the earth. And what is the depth of the earth, what is the depth of each layer also we discussed in the previous class. So now I will discuss only about the lithosphere. In the next class I will discuss about the remaining topics. So far what you heard, what you listen 1 or 2 times or thrice, then prepare one notes of your own and then learn, go through that notes or learn and write without seeing in your examination book. Right children, thank you, take care, bye.